Our math lesson for Monday, March 23rd is going to be lesson 8.10. This is the very last lesson in chapter 8. Tomorrow they will be completing that chapter 8 practice test, review test. We'll be completing it just not together, but we will be going over several things. Probably the first 2 pages tomorrow and then the last 2 pages of that on Wednesday. But today will be our last actual lesson, and it is practice addition and subtraction. So the essential question says, what different ways can you use to add and subtract? So draw to show the problem, then solve. So the problem is down for parents in the blue, down at the bottom. Your child can help you read it. Again, circle any numbers, underline the question, box the key words. Allow your child to kind of help you with that so that they can continue to practice cubes. So, the class collects paper bags for an art project. Ron brings 7 more bags than Ben. Ben brings 35 bags. How many bags does Ron bring? So we know how many Ben brought, and we know that Ron brings 7 more. So we need to take what Ben brings, 35, and we need to add Ron brings 7 more. So we're adding 7 more to see how many Ron brings. So to draw 35, we can draw 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and then 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, looking at the ones, if we wrote this vertically, we know that 5 plus 7 is going to be more than 10. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have to put the set of 10 with our groups of 10. So in order to do that in our picture, we want to group these 5 plus these 5 together to make a group of 10. So we end up crossing them out and making another set of 10. So now we're left with 2 1s and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 10. So that makes 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So Ron brings to answer our final question, how many bags does Ron bring? Ron brings 42 bags. Okay. What ways have you learned to add and subtract? So we have learned to make groups of 10. We've learned doubles plus 1, doubles minus 1, doubles. We have learned the related facts between addition and subtraction. So if we know an addition fact, that helps us with subtraction. We know how to add sets of 10s and subtract sets of 10s. So we're going to work through and just rethink about some of these different ways that we have practiced. So 5 plus 9, we want to think about making a group of 10. So if this is very close to being 10, we need 1 more to make that 10. So if we add one more to get 10, then we're going to take that 1 from our 5. So to make this 9 a 10, we're only going to have 4 ones, because we're going to move 1 from the 5 to the 9. So now we have 10 plus 4, which we know is 14. So 50 minus 30, we're thinking about that being 5 sets of 10 minus 3 sets of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 10. We get rid of 3 of them and we are left with 2 of them. So that means 50 minus 30 would be 20. So 51 plus 21, we want to look at that as place value also. So 51 plus 21. Or you could draw your picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 51, 10, 20, 1. So my ones, I'm going to have 2 in the ones place. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 10 plus 2 sets of 10. 5 plus 2 is 7 sets of 10, making 72. So, on this paper, I want your child, you can help, but I want your child to try to solve these as they can. If you need a scrap sheet of paper, feel free to give them a sheet of paper to draw out these pictures or to write them vertically. That would be perfectly fine, but find those patterns that you know to help you. So 30 plus 60, I know that that's 3 plus 6, that's 9. So 30 plus 60 is going to be 90. 73 plus 5 more, I'm just adding that 3 plus 5, I know is 8. And then I still have 7 tens. 10 minus 4, we should know what plus 4 makes a set of 10. 4 plus 6 makes 10. So 10 minus 4 would leave us with 6. So there are a lot of problems here. I want you to work them out on your own. And then on the back, they are vertical for you, but I want you to continue to solve those on your own or with a picture. Then 35, you do have a word problem. Use cubes. 36, 37 is a word problem. Make sure and use cubes there. Write 3 different ways to get a sum. So a sum is an addition problem. An addition problem. So all of those are going to be addition problems. So 3 different ways to add up to get 49. And then find the sum of 23 and 30. Use any way to add, and then explain how you did that. So I will send the answer key to your parents, but I want you all to try to work out those on your own. Remember, this is getting you ready for 2nd grade, so it's very important that we're able to add and subtract 2 digits together, either 2-digit by 2-digit or a 2-digit and 1-digit. So keep practicing, keep up the good work. If you need any help, I'm here. Just let me know.